guys, this is Madan Prashant from Tech Tinkerers. So today we are going to do a project of weather forecasting. So let's start. So the title, we'll give it as daily weather. So for this project we are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's link with our CSS file. And with our JavaScript as well. For using icons in our project, we have to import our kit from font awesome. So we will import our kit and we'll import some font from Google Fonts. I'm copying this link, using it here. So let's start with the body. I'm starting with a division with the class name as 1. Another division with class as search, and we need a search bar to search the cities where we want to know the weather condition. Input type equal to text, give the class as search bar. Then placeholder search, then we need a button for typing our city name and then searching. So we'll import a search button from font awesome. So this would be the link which we get for a search icon. I'm giving the color as white for our search button, since the background which we are going to give is dark. Start a new division. So all the values I am giving now are not the original values. The original values we'll get it once we import API. For importing APIs regarding weather, we are going to use a website freeweather.org, and we'll import the API and paste in our JavaScript. So to import, insert like weather icons. We'll do it with we'll do it from openweather.map.org itself. So open weather map. So this division is for description regarding the weather. I'm writing it as sunny. This class is for humidity. I'm giving it as 30%. So all the text which I'm providing in HTML is just to know at what place is the information need to be provided after linking our API. Let's say so I've completed with our HTML. Let's proceed with CSS. So for body, we'll give display as flex. Justify content at the center. Align items at the center. Height at 100 bh. Margin at 0, and for background I'm giving color through hexadecimal code, and the background image, I've already downloaded an image. So for using that image, URL, so this is the name of the image file. I want my font size to be 20%. So let's start with the classes. .1 this is whole of the box. We are going to specify in .1. We give a background. color of the text which I want is white. Padding, I'll give it as 2m. Border radius, it will give a smoothness to the curves at the edges. Giving it as 30 pixels. Width as 100%. Now next we'll go with search. Flex. Align items to the center for the search, and justify content also at the center. Next, the button. I'm giving a margin of 0.5 pixels with a border radius of 50%. I'm giving height and width as 44 pixels. Outline as none. Background as this is some sort of dark gray. Color as white. Cursor, by using this the pointer would change and coming to this button, and I want the transition to be 0.2 seconds. So for transition you have three options: ease in, ease out, and ease in out. I'm using ease in out. Next, let's go to input.search bar. So no borders, so none. Outline also none. I'm giving a padding of 0.4 m and 1 m. Border radius, I will give it as say 24 pixels. Background, I want it to be gray. So this is the hexadecimal code for gray. I want hovering effect, so I'm giving a hover. So background, so while hovering the color of the background changes for this button. C2. a bit light, the change in the color. On margin to be 0 and margin bottom to be 0.4 m. Displays flex. Align items to the center. I want my text transform. I want it to become capitals once I get the result. So I don't want the loading to be displayed, so for that we'll give the visibility as hidden. Height for this 20 pixels. Position relative. So after loading, I want it to be visible. This is what I want to be visible, so that it is loading. Color white. I want the position to be absolute, top to be 0, left to be 20 pixels. So I have already completed JS part, so let me explain this. So first we have to import our key from openweather.org. For this in Google, first sign up with this website called openweather.org. Once you sign up, he'll provide you with the key. You have to copy this key. You have to create this function called API can. You have to paste that key here. Once we give the city name here, it will search in the directories of the API for the city. So if there is any error in the user inputs, it will give no weather is found. So once the city is given, it will go. Once the temperature is given, it will go for the next rest of the information like humidity, wind speed, and it will even provide you with the icons of whether it's sunny, rainy, or cloudy. So let's see our output. So this loading which we are given in CSS. So let's say Paris. Yeah, this is the weather in Paris. So guys, thank you.